guys, it's Alicia here again. Now today I'm back with another simple, easy recipe. Today I'm going to be making Weight Watcher chicken enchiladas. Now even though we don't do Weight Watchers anymore, this recipe is so good and it's so easy and just comes together so quick that it is one that I keep in my meal rotation. It just takes a few ingredients and you've got yourself some delicious chicken enchiladas. So let me show you what you're going to need and we will get started. Okay. So all you're going to need to make these is 2 cooked boneless, skinless chicken breasts chopped up. And I just baked these in the oven until they reached an internal temperature of 165. You're going to need a package of corn tortillas, container of enchilada sauce, and I like the green enchilada sauce, can of fat-free refried beans, 2 cups of a low-fat shredded cheese, 2 cups of salsa, and that is it. So the first step is you're going to take your chicken, salsa, cheese, and refried beans. And then you're just going to mix this up really well. Okay, once you've got this mixed up, you're going to move on to preparing your pans. I've got 2 13x9 pans here and I have sprayed them with a little bit of Pam. Now I'm going to take my enchilada sauce here and I'm going to pour about half the can on the bottom of these 2 pans. Okay, I used about half of it and I'm going to set the rest of this aside for later. Just gonna move those around so that it is even on the bottom of each pan. Now we're going to take our corn tortillas here and I put these in the microwave for just about 20 seconds to soften them a little bit and make them more pliable. So we're going to take one of these and we're going to put about a couple tablespoons of the mixture inside and then just simply roll it over and place it seam down in the pan. So another one. Fold it over, seam down in the pan. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of these. I've got these all rolled out now, so now I'm going to put the remainder of the enchilada sauce on the top of these. And that is all there is to it. So now I'm going to put them in my preheated oven and I'm going to bake them for 30 minutes. And I want mine to be a little more on the crisp side, so I'm gonna bake them uncovered. If you want them more soft, you can put aluminum foil on the tops of them. Okay, and here they are out of the oven. Okay, and here they are plated up. I just got them alongside some coleslaw here. I went ahead and put sour cream and salsa on these, which is what we normally do. You could put whatever you want to put on them. As far as the points value, I will look up what the points plus points are for this and I will add that to the screen. These are absolutely delicious. They're super easy to make and like I said, they are one of my go-to recipes in my meal rotation. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.